Hi friends, how are you? I am Uday Kumar from Knowledge and Training channel. Those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share to your friends. Today I am going to unbox the Nova trimmer. In our channel, one more trimmer unbox will also happen. If anyone are interested, please go and watch that video I am releasing in cards. Let's start the video. This is the way of looking Nova trimmer box. Here they clearly written their branding Nova. Now I will open this box and I will show you what are all the contents they are providing inside. I used up to 3 months this Nova trimmer. I will share my knowledge and my experience with you guys. This is the trimmer, how it looks. It is made by plastic and it is removable battery. See, one battery. This is rechargeable battery. The battery capacity is 600 mAh. And here they are providing one on and off switch. I think you can clearly observe the sound. This is LED indicator. When you are keep from this charger to this trimmer, it will turns a red color. After completing the charge, it will turns to green color. This is the charging cable what they provided inside the box, and they are providing extra 3 more clips. By using these clips you can cut according to your wish, like hair or mustache, anything. See, this is 6 mm. I think you can clearly observe 6 mm. This is 9 mm. This is 3 mm. And they are providing one cleaning brush and one lubricating oil to clean these blades. This is stainless steel blade, and I will show you some images also, guys. First of all, in this I liked few points. Wherever you are going, you can easily carry this trimmer because it is less weight, because it is made by plastic. And in this, one more interesting point is they give inside this on and off switch. See, you can clearly observe the blades is moving. Now I turned off. Again turn on. It takes 12 hours to charge this trimmer, and they mentioned in the box clearly discharge time is 45 minutes continuously after charging. But I think it won't come 45 minutes because I used up to 3 months. It will come around some 30 minutes. It won't come 45 minutes. And first of all, here they clearly written their branding. This is the charging port, and the way of looking is very nice. The design, I think you clearly observe the design is very nice. This trimmer price is 350 rupees, but I ordered in Flipkart. In that now I think they reduced the price. Under 300 rupees you will get. In this trimmer you can't able to use while keeping charge. This is a cordless trimmer, and it is in this some negative points also will be there. I will say with you guys. First of all, the build quality is very poor, and but the battery capacity is very nice. Up to half an hour you can use non-stoppable. The people who are interested to buy this Nova trimmer, I am providing link in description. Please use that link when you are buying because it is useful to our channel also. And about this trimmer, that's it, guys. Again I am repeating, guys, the people who are subscribed to my channel, please like and share to your friends because it is useful to our channel. Because if you hit like button, it will motivates me to do good videos. Today my quote is about love. I love my eyes when you look it. I love my name when you say it. I love my heart when you touch it. I love my life when you in it. That's it, guys. Okay, bye. Good night and sweet dreams to all. Always keep smile and be happy.